हॅलो हाय नमस्ते नमस्कार यूथ ऑफ GSB ऑडियन्स हांकां एक अनेक एपिसोडाक स्वागत करता आसा स्टार्स ऑफ GSB हांव प्रतीपंत सांगता आसता एक स्टार जावं म्हणजेला रे तितले सुलभ ना मस्त कश्ट पावन एक सक्सेस मेळका जाता तसल सक्सेस स्टोरीज तुमगेले मुखारी स्टार्स ऑफ GSB तूं हाडता आसताची आज ही प्रितीचे आमगेल्या के.व्ही. कामत सर आमगेलो आसाची तांकां स्टार्स ऑफ GSB कार्यक्रमां मोगान स्वागत करता कामत माम मस्त खूश जाता फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हांव सॉरी निमगे तुमगेल्या कसन म्हळ्यार एक स्टारान तूं फस्ट स्टार जेवन तुमगेले इंटरव्यू घेवका जाल्यार आमी जाल्यार आज टायम आयला आज घेताच आमी हांव प्रथम जेवन सांगचें तुमी ब्रिक्स कंट्रीसाक NDB बँकांत काम केलें चीफ जावन ICICIन तूं चेअरमॅन जावन काम केलां ते पुरा म्हळ्यार फावंडर मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर CEO अशीच इन्फोसिसान तुवें चेअरमॅन जावन काम केलां असल पुरा व्हडले डेसिग्नेशन तुमकां लायफांत मेळ्ळलें आसा मस्त कश्ट पावन अशें पुरो जाल्यार हांव प्रथम जावन निमगोचें तुमी सान आसतना खंय स्कूला वतना जो लेक्कील आस की एक व्हड पोजिशन हांव पावता की म्हणून इता म्हळ्यार तुमगे ल्हान सर मस्त जाणां मोटिवेट करता सर
I think honest answer that time are lekkani magir lekla that time are lekkani that time are concentration was on studies well parents particularly well annal focus was you have to continue education in life education stop corona whatever level and my amma fully supportive that you have to educate fully in life so with that as objective the first part was education शिकचें सो कशें करचें म्हणून सो SS जालें त्या टायमार आय एम टॉकिंग ऑफ 60s जेव्हा इंजिनियरींग जेव्हा मेडिसीन म्हाका मेडिसीन आय कांट स्टँड द सायट ऑफ ब्लड म्हाका आय गेट इल सो ऑप्शन खाली इंजिनियरींग सो आय वेंट टू इंजिनियरींग टू सुरतकल तेन्ना द आयडिया वॉज दॅट गेट इन टू बिजनस फ्रँकली विथ ऑल्सो गुड ऑब्जेक्टीव मेल अन्नालें एक सान टायल फॅक्टरी आशिल्ली मुल्केंत हेजमाडी टू बी एक्झॅक्ट सो दॅट यू वील रन इट इन ड्यू कोर्स डू युअर इंजिनियरींग सो मुगेलें इंजिनियरींग करतना हांव एक्चुली दनपाराचें आय यूज टू गो टू द फॅक्टरी एंड लूक आफ्टर इट सो in a way I got business some acumen during my 5 years of engineering but that all time till I finished my engineering the idea was to get back into business then ami Mangalore Magic san universe you don't know what is beyond it what people knew is such nantar next America jaw vacham ta idea na ashil so then I read that there is this thing called Masters in Business Administration.
Okay.
And then don't
even
69, 68, 69.
So I born in 1947.
47, away. So this is as I was getting to the final year of engineering, in the final year of engineering.
Okay.
68, 69, 60. So I am Kolkata, I am in Ahmedabad. So I got the forms. And I applied to both. I tested in Bangalore, Don institution tested Bangalore. I went. So till then, I was probably Opasian factory, engineering that their factory. Even then, I got into both. I am Kolkata and I am Ahmedabad. So I am Kolkata Suryamanala. So I put a deposit, but they gave me the money back once I said I'm going to I am Ahmedabad, which is for those days was very nice of them. So that night, idea was to come back. At least in the first year, I think core no opposition. Parents' business. Somewhere in the second year, I think this is the real answer to your question. Well, question is run way long. Put in context because it has to be something that people understand and ambition and all that. So I found that finance abhitari churd interest and. In the class, particularly any finance subject, I would do extremely well. So then routine. There are few people who might have gone back to family business, but those days, middle class and the pura jana going into a job somewhere or the other, career, professional career. And so I basically applied to financial and consulting type of companies. And I made like a professor. So professor Malala, a company is ICICI. They are not coming to campus, but I'm sending your resume. So mail resume tane. He sent it to ICICI, Professor BG Shah. So when I did my interviews and things like that, I had couple of places or 3 places interviews. You couldn't hold more than 3 jobs. Third one you had to take. But when I went and I got interviewed in ICICI, I actually liked the place. It was a very small place. So I joined.
ಕಂಚಿ ಇಯರ್ ಮಳೆ
71, 2-year program. 69 I joined them. This is 71. So I joined them. I think at about that time, I think my parents probably understood that I'm pursuing a financial career and I may not come back to the family business. And so still ambition is not set in. After about first year, second year, I thought my progress in ICICI was good. I was doing well. And the company liked my work and the leadership liked my work. And so somewhere there, I started thinking about when do I get to be a leader of this organization? So I would always benchmark. So for a young person, I'll say that get your foundational education right. Somewhere into your job, start targeting. खंय हांव पावचें पुरो ताका कसं कसं एफर्ट घालता ग्रोथ कशी जावका कोण कशी ग्रो जाला सो कीप लुकिंग एट एंड benchmarking. So I would do that very frequently in my even very early on, to second year, third year, I would keep doing that. The other thing is youngster sangha, because the career path is completely different from that time. Tadna career manare long term career. At the career manare is a short term career, the next stepping stone. I have no issues. That's the evolution and that's how it will be. Tant bitari, when you look at the young person today, their mind works differently from those days. We will come to that because that's a very interesting I think, subject for a young mind. Then namka long term career. But every 4 or 5 years, I would benchmark myself. So this I am saying to the young people because they also should benchmark. Kasa benchmark? What is my opportunity? What could I do? Not necessarily in terms of money, growth, comfort. And most of the time I would say that, maybe I'm better off here. I don't need to leave. So I continued. And then in terms of really setting goals and targets, this 71 I joined now. I think the first recognition I saw that the organization gave me in a significant way was there was an assignment to go to Sri Lanka to set up another bank there, like ICICI. So I went for 6 months to set up the bank. I was just about 10 years in the organization or 9 years in the organization, but they sent me as a startup team. So that went successfully. Tajinantar, a few months later, the then chairman said, you become my executive assistant. So, if any youngsters are given an option to be an executive assistant, do take it. 2 things happen. Ek tumke ek insider information milta. Not public knowledge, not for misuse. Knowledge, insider knowledge, not information. Or how an organization works, how the leader works. It's invaluable. So I had a great learning experience from my chairman. I was working with him from 71. When I joined itself, I was in his department. He was not the chairman, he was the chief of the department. In 80 or so, when he became chairman, he picked me up. Tadnantar, just a few months into it, I got my second break, maybe a year into it. We need to start new businesses. He thought leasing is a hot business which is not there in India. कोणी इक्विपमेंट घेवचे बदलाक तुमी लीज करचे आमी घेवन तांकां लीज करचे. So he said, I've talked to a few banks in London and in France, UK and France. Why don't you go and so 6 months. So I arranged it. So I went like an intern. I worked in those 2 organizations. Now that time, so it took me 10 years, I would say. I said, now I've got a shot at the leadership. Those days, roughly, you estimated that 60 jan retired Dattaji. And by that yardstick, this gentleman who was then the chairman, Mr. S.S. Narkanyu, he's also a GSV. Though Goa Takunu. So he didn't speak Kongani, Marathi speaking. So I said, 96 my chances short. So So I continued my ethics. So that's the other key thing. Your ethic has to be very clear. Work ethic, hard worker, 24 hours worker, and work comes first. So much so that I remember, I'm sure youngsters face the same feedback from their family. Well, Bailan Maka Sangjashila, we got married in 72. She would tell me after, I would travel every twice a month, 3 times a month, 3-4 days. Calcutta, Madras, Delhi, Bangalore, each of the metros, Hyderabad. Basically, this city. This was, she, in a way, probably light-hearted way, she said, and I first didn't understand it. She was actually, she says, why don't you take a home in Calcutta? Because I was going to Calcutta every month. Because you seem to be there more than here. So, your work ethic drives you. And then, of course, you try to balance family and so, of course, I had complete support from my family. My wife was fully supportive of whatever I did. So anyway, so 81, I set up leasing, and that did well. And that also gave me a new opportunity. And this again for young minds pointer. If you get an opportunity to learn something new, jump Karachi.
Wow.
So mak thai leasing and London, when I was working with this company, first time I saw technology at use. Because she used technology for business. Not like computer एक room IBM computers. Hanga hands-on because she used for doing your work. For you doing your work. So when I came back and I set up leasing device, and I told my boss, Mr. Narkani, that I computer jaimun. He is one of the most brilliant people I've ever met. Engineer. But in terms of new technology, are you sure? Discourage karni, but encourage karni. I'm falling behind in work. I won't go into details. So we put basically a desktop of 1980. We put what is called, what is today Excel. There was a program called SuperCalc, and Word, but like Word Perfect database. We started off with that small machine, and that in a way gave me my entire, I would say, outlook. Now, how did ICICI become a technology leader? My outlook of 81 in setting up this computer, computerizing my department, gave me that push and an understanding of what you could do with technology. And even today that continues for young people. Those days computer use coding coding. So the leasing function to do the coding. Somebody said there is to be coded and to will program code nami to dita chi. All right, kittle time lagta. They said 3 months lagta. 3 months then say core no, well known firm. I won't name the firm. They gave me a thing which was working. Almost I'm ready to buy. Eklo walks into my room, jeans and t-shirt galno. Says you are looking for a computer. It's 81, mind you. And then wait, but I have finished. I have finalized. No, you must come and see our thing. I said, but what is your thing? He said, you can work on it yourself. I said, you mean to say nobody writes code? He says, no. I said, I'm Express Tower, Mumbai. Okay, I'll come. So tomorrow I'll come in. I went in there. And I said, machine so what do you want to do? What sort of a question is that? What do you want to do? So, but he was nice. He said, whatever you want to do, can it be put into rows and columns? Rows and columns. I was saying, wait, a profit and loss account looks like rows and columns. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 5, year 10. Column, sir. So that was the main function I needed, which the 3-month coding was done.
Correct.
So long story short, in 30 seconds, in the next virtually 10 minutes, we had written a program online. And I was telling him, item number 1, relationship. So type. Like a layman, not programmer. So, number galnami. Number galno at kasa gorka unta kasaling got no to engineer. Discounted cash flow gorka jamun. Formula padala, formula galli. The first time next time, boom, the answer was right. What took me 3 months, we could do in 10 days. So I'm saying the power of new technology. Where I'm leaving this with a young mind is absorb the power of new technology. So I absorbed it. And I said, this can be rolled out for everything in ICICI. So we didn't. We stabilized it in the leasing department next 4-5 years. 85 on to next chairman came. Narkani went to, I don't know whether he went to IDBI or went to CB as chairman. So Mr. Wagul Moneklo is this other most brilliant mind that I have seen. I have, including all my universe of people I have met. And to ekdam willing to take risks and so on. So we were talking technology. He says, so what should we do? So I said we should computerize the whole of ICICI. Tu kari manalo. 86, 87, 86. Tajja puda, like ambition setting. So to join the law. So I went to meet him for the first time. So I just met him and I was trying to introduce myself. I am Kamatun. No, your reputation precedes you, manalo. And then, so by then I got confidence. Okay, so which means that people are recognizing me. It's now clear. So I continued to, and he said, you should stop now your leasing thing. I want to set up strategy. So another new department, Nanchinashila. Okay. Start kartan Miguel department or Pura department. All my life, whichever I did was ekadunjana. Leasing first, Tajuta Aneklo. Magira Dogjana kept it lean. Strategy Kodinaji, Ekdoni. Ekdon Magira recruit Kodina, Aveklo, start. Then I said, then he put me into treasury along with strategy. Ekdogyana. So sometimes people feel department hot has come. This again I want to suggest that if the opportunity in an organization is to do something completely new, you will learn and you start with nobody. And your colleague in the organization is going to be given a department with 100 or 200 people. Which will you choose? Any day choose the startup, because then you got a free mind.
Correct.
And you can do miracles with that free mind and an organization which is not condition not any mind. So Ankadu completely groom kored. So that's how we built the leasing the strategy department. Leasing and strategy. Tajpura projects. First 10 years under Mr. Narkani was in projects. Then reporting to him on leasing. Then Mr. Wagul strategy, reporting to him. Treasury also reporting to him. So in a way, from 71 to 85, 86, my reporting was either somebody who became chairman or the chairman. Next, again, in terms of life choice, fork in the road, I think youngsters will face it. At the context of the job change, the type of fork that I am facing. Tajman, I would keep doing what I was saying. Every 4-5 years, just to make market value. What may I, where would I go? Then I would always say, I stay behind. 87 on suddenly I got a call from somebody who was in the Asian Development Bank. This is in Manila. So I'm a leasing function start karta. Asian Development is the World Bank for Asia. So leasing function start karta. Will you like to consider? I was saying, let me think over it. And then I went and talked to Mr. Wagul. I was around November 87. They are asking me to consider. We'll think about it, Mal. We'll think about it, Mal. And then this must have been in June, July of 87. Nothing happened. Then I didn't follow up with him. And they didn't follow up with me. Margaret, suddenly in April, next year, 88 February, the division head, ADB, European, he called me directly and said, Mr. Kamath, where is your application? So I said, my application has not moved because I have not yet submitted the application. He says, no, we want you just now. And I'd appreciate you if you can complete it. I'll ask HR to send you the details. And so then I went to Mr. Wagul again. I have to take a decision. So you tell me what is to be done. And again, immediately he took a decision. This must have been in February of 88. He says, you go. And you go for 2 years and I'll give you a lien. you can come back to ICICI. 88.
Mm.
I said, okay. So 2 months later, we packed, my wife, 2 kids, and we were in May 1st, we were in Manila, starting an international career, tax-free. Everything is cushy. But it's a bureaucracy. So I knew that now I have to figure out what am I going to learn here. And the one thing was very clear thing. Kasa learning manare, you can see countries, not for a foreign visit, but kashi chale ta cheez. So one of my first assignments was China. 88 andunchi, October ki November I went to China. So I have seen China transform from 88, when I can tell you, China and India, if you benchmarked, India was ahead. Clear. I mean, Kazakhstan, Twitter, maybe clearly India was ahead of China. Then Southeast Asia, Thailand, Indonesia, yeah, and they were ahead. So Malaysia was much more ahead. Korea, even more ahead. Philippines was a little ahead. So Pura Kashi transformed. And China is still transforming. So it was a great learning experience. And what happens as wealth increases in these countries? All that, though it was a bureaucracy, I learned, I must say that my experience in Asian Development Bank helped me. So, so I told, no, Mr. Wagul then himself called me and said, I know you have a lien. Aneka extend kari manalo. So I extended it for 1 more year. Then at the end of that year, 91 naki, he rang me up and said, reform Manipura jaunu. A lot of challenges. So, I wouldn't mind if you don't come back. So I could see that something in the mind. I said, okay, I can continue in this career here. Then I had simultaneously offers from World Bank to join. But then I would also benchmark. I'm better off here. Why should I go to the World Bank? And then ADB said, we want you to move to our Indonesia office from Philippines. So I moved to Indonesia. That was an interesting learning experience. Being a completely different country, different bahasa. Garkada, in Philippines, you could manage all your help speaks English. Anga Indonesia, they only speak bahasa. Office ang kastar tuka an English ulada ji. Bairi, margari restaurant, market, Garkada, Kamachi. But we learnt bahasa. We were both fairly fluent in bahasa. As this was happening, so I was continuing there. 95 antki, again I get a call from Mr. Wagul. He's still chairman. So it's a straightforward call. He said, next week I'm coming to Singapore. I want to meet you. So okay. So I went down to Singapore from Indonesia and I met him. So just suspiciously, next July to retire. So I want you to come and take over. Out of the blue. So at that time, I had not pitched myself to be a CEO of ICICI. Out of the blue, in the month of May, the previous year or so, he says, come in. And my last role in ICICI, which I was working for him, was strategy head. Because we set up a few new businesses and so on. But he had not seen me for 8 years. But he made a blind. See, now comes the interesting part. You asked me ambition. Now, in 96, when then in 96 I came back. I joined the board immediately in 95. Every month at India. 96, I became the CEO. See, the interesting part is, I could then set an ambition very clearly. Now I was CEO. Now, I'm also seeing the challenges around me. Our industry is in bad shape. I'm going to scale in our industry. Interest rates are controlled. Interest rates are very high. ICICI borrowing is limited. And ICICI 92 to ICICI Bank was set up as a subsidiary. Taji maybe anek hazar jana. 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000 jana. So I am the CEO of the parent, and I became a little later the chairman of the subsidiary. Then we said, we need to now completely retransform ourselves. And that was the goal. So what all do you want to do? First, technology transformation. We are going to be technology leaders. Second, we are going to make ourselves tough. Tough capital raise no. So we don't have to ask anybody for capital. Third, we have to have new products. Ye kaise centralization mare Mr. And purta ko nunchi, but Mr. Vagul encouraged even more. Chartered accountants ki, MBAs ki, very good people he had recruited. So yeah, 96 I had this crop of young people. So that was my talent. Actually, capital na, client customer research, no product na, technology na, because that was how the development bank was. But people are there. So I said, I need to transform through people. So I went and told them, ek golden handshake ditta. About 200-300 people out of the 1,000 will need to go. But then the young people will come in. And then we will bring in the technology. Then we will bring in new products. And of course, capital, now I have to start. So Kudla, we need within the first year itself, for 6 months, we did a equity issuance in London. Because Anga market dead. 2 years later, we did an equity issuance on New York Stock Exchange. We were the first Indian company to be listed on New York Stock Exchange. Infosys was the first one to be listed in NASDAQ. So we got the capital. Technology then now is just starting. So we had free access to put cheap technology, not the very costly technology. So we could do it much cheaper than the Western banks. So we put technology in. So now what I'm saying is, you have got an ambition. I want to grow using technology, using young talent, technology, new products. And of course it needs capital, and I'm going to drive it. So young people are pura 30-35 were in the level below the board. Technology we started introducing. Though 88 some basic technology was put, but we had to upgrade the technology, bank antu pura. So we put that in. Then ATM na, if you see the situation, even in the bank, no ATM. Then we said new products, continue new products. So that's where we introduced home loans, credit card, car loans, or motorcycle loans. We were the first bank to introduce it. Wow. HDFC was there with the home loans. There was no bank, private, government, which had all these products. Some public and some foreign banks had credit cards, like Catalana. In ICICI, again, because I'm saying, how do you achieve what you want? The bank was still diffident. Bank is my subsidiary. I own it, 100%. But tanka ek namna diffidence hai, pura start korche. So I told my team, we'll start all this in ICICI. We will do mortgages in ICICI. We will do home loan in mortgage is home loan. Credit cards in ICICI and car loan auto. Pura ICICI and
start.
And we acquired 2 companies which are sick. Ek ITC Classic. We said, we'll start. And of course, it started growing extremely fast. And the next objective was we will merge the parent and the bank. So it took me another year and a half. But by 2001, we were into clearly. By 2002 March, we will become one. The parent and the bank will merge and it will be one entity. So then the bank had hardly 3,000 ki staff. Parent had maybe 1,000 staff, 4,000 staff. Then we went into high gear. Because now we had all the building blocks. Again, for people, young people seeing it, lesson here is very simple that I learned. First build the foundation. Then get your, what I call the driving forces. Correct. You assess your driving force. In my case, it was talent. Normally, talent is a driving force. Capital is a driving force. And today, technology is a driving force. Got those together. And then you build. You can build very fast. And very quickly on these areas, we could achieve market leadership and growth. And was the pool of talent came up. And by 2004, 2005, we were at we were almost 100,000 people from just 3,000-4,000 people just 6-7 years earlier. So anyway, I won't go into how you build up people and so on and so forth. So if I then look back so that we don't forget, initially, very early on, there was no goal that I had set. Into a decision that I will go and work for a company and not in the family business, I took that decision to continue in the financial field. And there, you worked hard. And you really did not, all through my thing, I never have worked expecting rewards. You just do what you can do best and, rewards will happen. So you need to make sure that people, you do what is probably more than expected from you, and then rewards will follow. So that's how the whole ICICI story went on. And then when I stepped down from ICICI, Mr. Murthy asked me to join his board. आणि सुरवेकाची एक महिना असताना मग सांगला तू बोर्ड जॉईन जा मी गेला म्हणून. And then a year or so later he stepped down and he joined as I joined as chairman. And then out of the blue came the BRICS Bank thing, which was one fine day I get a call and say,
Chief
would you like to go to set it up again? I had a broad idea what it was. And again, young people, sometimes in life, decisions have to be taken quickly. And in almost all situations that I've had to take a decision, the decision is time. So you have to be able to analyze things and take a decision quickly. So this is in 2015. In 2015, I'm 68 or 67 or 68. And so I get a call, and the government, I won't say who, it's very, very high level. And so I said, it's Shanghai, I know that. And I've been to Shanghai a number of times because, as I said, I started working on Shanghai in 88, China. And after that, ICICI set up a branch in Shanghai, and even otherwise, several other meetings and so on. I liked the place, though initially, in those days, it used to be a slightly polluted city, but by 2015, it cleaned up. So all I had to do was, my decision was made up. My wife was in the US or something. So I told the gentleman, I'll have to talk to my wife. This is a major shift for us. But anyway, she was happy because she had also traveled to Shanghai a number of times with me. So we moved at 68 and I was 68. We moved to Shanghai to set up completely new. Panch country, Panch Tangal different bureaucracies, Panch cultures, completely different, completely different ideas, different way of working, work ethic different. But I think it was a great experience, and everybody came together, and we could build at great speed, and we could, I think, deliver on what we set out to do, much more. Since I used to say, I used to benchmark our achievement. I said in the first 2 years we did more than what took World Bank 10 years to do after they were set up. Of course, maybe 60 years back or 70 years back. We could scale up things very quickly. So again, here something unique to be done, very little time to decide. And you need to take a decision. And the same thing happened virtually with NAPFID. Since I got a call and said, can we go ahead? We want you to do it. And when I looked at NAPFID, I am 74. So I said, yeah, go ahead. We will make it happen. And a month later, I was head of NAPFID, of course. So opportunities come not very frequently in everybody's career. At times you have to go out and seek opportunity, which is fine. And youngsters today may be better off doing that rather than follow exactly my path. In my path, if you get an opportunity, seize it. After due analysis and diligence, my lesson is that you don't necessarily need to take very long to diligence and exercise and so on. So take a decision quickly and move. But in most likely, where you are today, by the flux of time, well, first 6 years of your career, you will get at least 2 changes that will happen. But looking at the evolution of what is happening, I think by the time you are 40, a young person need to then say that this is more or less, maybe I'll do one more job change, but I'm not going to be a hopper all the time. But if you see the opportunity spectrum, it's a much wider spectrum than what it was for us. So I think it is never a better time, it has never been a better time to be a young Indian than today.
गमत मग पुरजनाला मस्त जनाला इंटरव्यू करता असता जाल्यार आज तुमकां इंटरप्ट करप वचचें इत्याक म्हळ्यार तुमी मनान उलयलीची एंड दीस इज अ ग्रेट डॉक्युमेंट कशें नाक म्हळ्यार हें एक 10-20 वर्स जाता हें व्हिडिओ पळयल्यार कामत मामाल सगळे एक क्रोनॉलॉजिकल ऑर्डरार तुमी सांगले म्हळ्यार फस्ट काम मेळलें एज्युकेशन जाल्लें ताजे खातीर हांव नुत बशिलो मनान उलयलीची जाल्यार आतां क्विक क्वेश्चन्स स्वल्प हांव तुमगेला निमगोन सोडता ताका आन्सर्स आमगेल्या ऑडियन्सा मेळटा म्हण हांव लेखता.
I know that you didn't interrupt, and I appreciate that. Because म्हळ्यार media interview तो येतना they are on a clock because 30 minutes is the max. They can't get more than that air time. 20 ideal, 30. So the anchor has to come in because otherwise tangal kasa point melna. But I spoke from exactly the point of view. But you are free to edit it and cut it. So
ना
make it more interesting.
आमगेल समाजांत एक व्हडले डॉक्युमेंट सर हें आमी कसं ना व्हिडिओ करची म्हळ्यार एक 25 वर्स जत्तर हें व्हिडिओ पळयला रे जना कळटा म्हळ्यार ते स्ट्रगल केलें तुमी तुमगेले एक सक्सेस स्टोरी तशें जावन तशीय दवरला तशीय घालताचे आमी. कामत सर आतां तुमगेले फॅमिली विशीं उलोवप जाल्यार कुंदापूर म्हणलेले विशय आमकां कळटा अशी जनरली तुमगेले विशय गुगलान सर्च केल्या पुरो खंय आनम्मा खंय आशिल्लीची.
Yeah, my Anu grew up in Kundapur, but he went out to his studies. I think Bangalore and teaching to he did his graduation.
Okay.
Amma is from Bangalore. Her father is from Kagal Vaman Pemun. He was I think a well-known trader in Bangalore, and actually he is probably one of the first shareholders of or investors in Syndicate Bank.
Wow.
So going back to 1930. So he was, but his home was in Bangalore.
Annal side kutumba ganchu.
So Kundapur Kamat. My grandfather, my dad's father, passed away relatively younger age. His elder brother, Narsim Kamat, was for a very long time was Kundapur trustee, Mukteshwaru.
Okay.
Tadnantar his son, Narayan Kamat, was a trustee. And later on, my dad, after in a way retiring from life in Bangalore, in the late 80s, he went and he was a trustee. So basically, Kundapur on service. And both, my grand uncle, that is my dad's uncle, and his son, both were lawyers in Kundapur. So they come from that. My dad went to London. He did studies in business. And he came back because he was married in 47 to my mother. My mother grew up in Bangalore. And they settled in my mother's house. My grandfather had passed away. Kagal Vamanpai had passed away. So my dad lived, so of course, immediately after marriage, I think when I was maybe a year or so, they went to London. So both of them were in London for 3 or 4 years. So next I saw them when I was 4 or 5. I still have memories of my grandmother, but not seeing parents from a young age. So my first real time I saw my parents was when they came back from London in 52 or so. So they were westernized from that point of view. My dad, he wanted to do something on his own. So he had one of the first businesses, freezing fish and exporting it to the US. So frozen fish. That time, there was one government factory in Hoige Bazaar. So they lease korno, his facility was there. From there, he would export it. It must have been a pioneering trade. You can imagine Coltana, mid-scene to anyway. So he did that. And then he got into politics. So he was then later on mayor of Bangalore. So that's my parental wing. And I explained the ethos at home is study.
Correct.
Study comes paramount. So you are always... and I learned from both my dad and my mother. And this is again young people. So Melamana in I was in engineering college, and once in a way I used to smoke. So she never stopped me from smoking. So she once asked me a very gentle question. What's smoking? So I gave her a fair answer. There was no anger in that question. The question was straightforward. I gave her a fair answer. But what she said actually stuck with me and maybe made me a banker. She said, "Tu kharchi dasnawa. Tu earn korcheka. Tu kitne bank door ka sakta unali." So let's say ಖರ್ಚು 5,000 ಉಂದರೆ, I don't remember what it is. Interest rate 10%. So 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅದವ್ರಿಗೆ to get my smoking money. So then in life, anything that I did, I would always benchmark, including in running business. Yeah, spend go check what is the trade-off. It is not just a question of spending. Look at the trade-off. So I got educated from both sides. My mother also was in politics. She was a district board member. So she was also, both of them were active in. And thereafter in the 60s, my dad took a factory in Ejmadi, tile factory, which my brother and family.
तुम कितले जन बब्बा हुआ?
Amidog Jana, just two of us, Mohan and myself.
Oh.
And so I got then, I was saying earlier, engineering days, I used to go to the factory and look after it. But after I went, took a different path. So my parents that way had a very strong influence on me. And it was a very encouraging influence. There's nothing that, and it was all cutting edge. At that time, latest in terms of doing things, exposure. You want to get that exposure, feel free. So I think that again is a good message for all parents, including me, to how to bring your children up.
Yes. And Tumgel family?
Yeah, I got married in 71 to Rajalakshmi Pai. Tani originally, her mother's side came from Bantwal. And the father was settled in Markara. He was one of probably Amchigalamitheri Tagelanu, the first planter in just a little distance from Madikeri, a place called Suntikoppa, 10 miles from Madikeri. So planter, Tegalajjo, Elanu. They were planters. And she did her studies in St. Agnes.
Okay.
And she was in the final year. I had just joined ICSA, 71, when we were introduced, typical arranged marriage introduction. And we said yes, and we got married in 72. And then we settled in Mumbai. And part of my career, I've told you. We had 2 children. I have a son and a daughter. My son lives in Mumbai. He's a doctor. My daughter lives in the US.
ओके. वाव, मस्त विषय पुरा सांगले सर. तुमगे फॅमिलीचे कळले, तुमगेले कळले, करियर वाईज कळले. एक म्हाका निमगो कमण मस्त आश जाता. तुमगेल कान्नाक पडला की गोतना. इट वाज अ रूमर और समथिंग लायक दॅट. I don't know. बट खंयगे तुमगेल फिनान्स बॅकग्राऊंड इतले स्ट्रॉंग असताना तुमगे कळले.
I can say in advance it is baseless. There could be other rumors which had, but that one was baseless.
ओके. ऑडियन्स सांगून सोडता कसं ते क्वेश्चन आशिल्ले.
It is baseless.
फिनान्स मिनिस्टर जत्ताची केवी कामत सर म्हणले खंयकी आयकून आयलेले मस्त जनाला कान्ना पडला तशी तुमगेले कान्ना पडला की म्हणून.
I knew it when I got back to India in 2020 from China. I knew that was suddenly in the media. That was baseless.
Okay. Jalari khayjo manan tas ki ek position dillari.
No. I think it is not in my mind. And at now 74, 75, that is not something that you should have in your mind. There are so many things you could do to do good. Like this last 1 year has been running very hard and things like that. So we were talking. So my children, again, it's a small lesson in upbringing, to parents now or their children. Give them a free hand. Whatever they want to do, they should do it. My son did his medicine, but his interest is in holistic healing. He has his own coffee estate in Madikeri. But he's not into practice. So he's got his own interest. So he goes abroad, he learns new types of healing, things like that. And so he's free. He goes and learns, educates. What I learned from my father. My daughter, similarly, in 1990, she was finishing her high school in Manila. And we moved to Jakarta. Friends are I don't want to move 1 year. Last year, I moved now. A very difficult decision. The girl at 15 or 16 wants to stay alone and do 1 year of schooling with friends who were also in the ADB. And we both discussed, and we said she wants to do that, she does it. So she did her 12th from Manila. And then she says, I'm going to go abroad to study. So she was 16. At 16, she went to US and studied. And then it just happened. She was graduating in 97. I was in the US. Somebody rings up my brother-in-law in the US and says, "Kuni chille asla sanga manu." So my brother-in-law gave me the phone. Anyway, we introduced them, and so she's been there from 91. So I'm just saying how children's
Correct.
paths take a completely different route, and parents should encourage, help them along to take a decision and let them grow.
लास्ट एक क्वेश्चन आनु पॉलिटिक्स आका आशिला म्हणले अम्मा काही स्वल्प ताजे नॉलेज पुरा आशिले म्हणले तुमका मना खई एनीवे
I'll tell you, it's very interestingly, my Amma got into politics before my dad.
ओ इज इट
She was a district board member from about a year and a half after coming back from London. 54, she was on the district board membership, which she had till, I think, another 4 or 5 years. Then my dad got to be a councillor, and then she stepped down from her district board, I think. Then over the years, he became mayor of Mangalore. So he was a municipal councillor for 2-3 terms, I think. Pakna ashila. I'll tell you, I think you need a particular mindset to be a politician. It's a great job to serve. But I think if you benchmark working in a professional career and you have a politician's mind, it's a completely different benchmark. And I felt that I wasn't cut out for that. I didn't have the makeup to do that. So I preferred to do the other thing.
इतली वेळ मस्त उलयली सर कामत सर मस्त तुम्ही आनी काही उलयचो चमकला मस्तच दिसता जाल्यार अर्द घंटे जावन चड जाला 40 मिनिट्स जाला आयले बट इट वॉज अ रियली नायस इंटरव्यू सर मस्त खुश जालें मनान उलयलीची अशीची चांग चांग काम तुमगे लागी मस्त जान सजेशन घेताची म्हूण हांव लेखता तांकां लायक सजेशन येवन आमगे इंडियन इकॉनॉमी अशा पुरो विंगड विंगड ಟೈಪಾಂತು ತುಮಗೆಲ್ಲ एक ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅಷ್ಟು म्हणून या ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ सांगून इतली वेळ यूथ ऑफ GSB उलयले मस्त धन्यवाद थँक्यू
All the best.
थँक्यू या इतले वेळ तुम्ही आयचे एपिसोड पळयले स्टार्स ऑफ GSB तू के वी कामत सर मस्त विशय उलयलीच तुमगेले एक विशय ऐकून तुमकां मस्त खूश जावन अशें पुरो हें एपिसोड पळोवन अशीची विंगड विंगड एपिसोड आमी स्टार्स ऑफ GSB तू हाडता आसताची पळयता बॅच इतले वेळ ह्या व्हिडिओ पळयले खातीर धन्यवाद.